Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Diminishing balance method. Depreciation at a fixed rate on the reduced balance of the asset is charged every year. As a constant percentage is applied to the written down value of the asset, the amount of depreciation will reduce every year. It is also known as reducing balance method or written down value method. Formula for depreciation rate computation. Depreciation rate is equal to 1 minus S by C to the power 1 by N, where salvage value is S, cost of asset is equal to C, useful life in years is N. Formula of depreciation computation. D is equal to W into R, where W is the WDV at the beginning of the period, R the rate of depreciation for the period. The WDV at the end of the year would be W minus D. Formula for WDV computation. W is equal to C into 1 minus R to the power N, where W is equal to WDV after N years. C is original cost. N is equal to number of period years. R is equal to rate of depreciation per year. Higher depreciation is charged in initial year, which gets reduced every successive years. Expenses on repairs and maintenance is lower at initial years and higher at later years. Thus, total charges are approximately equalized. Example, a machine was bought for rupees 50,000 2 years ago. The current book value of the machinery is 36,125. Rate of depreciation is 1 minus 36,125 by 50,000 to the power half is equal to 1 minus 0.7225 to the power half is equal to 1 minus 0.85 is equal to 0.15 or 15%. Example, original cost 10,000, WDV after 1 year at 12% per annum is equal to 10,000 into 1 minus R to the power N into 1 minus 0.12 is equal to 10,000 minus 0.88 into 10 is equal to 8,800. WDV after 2 years is equal at 12% will be 10,000 into 1 minus 0.12 square is equal to 10,000 into 0.7744 is equal to 7744. You may check this as WDV after 1 year is equal to 8,800. Depreciation for second year is 12% of 8800 is equal to 1056. So WDV after 2 years is equal to 8,800 minus 1055 is equal to 7744. Example, original cost 50,000, WDV at 15% per annum after 2 years would be 50,000 into 1 minus 0.15 square is equal to 50,000 into 0.07225 is equal to 36,125. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.